Okay, going to do a full video today, removing all this stock exhaust system. Tomorrow, hopefully, my Zard system will be here. Maybe Wednesday at the latest. Been waiting since July to get that, but they phoned me the other day and said it's been posted out today. So I'm just going to do a sound check with the original system on it, and when I get the other system, then we'll start again and do it with the battles and without. That'll do. Don't want to get into it, otherwise I'll burn my hands. Right. So, if you get bored watching this, then just fast forward it or turn it off. One sec. Yeah. Look at that, see that? Got a few tools ready. I'm going to take the seat off and also that as well. You can probably get this off without removing that, but I don't want to take the risk of marking it, so that's going to come off as well. Right, so to get this off, that is a T25. Hopefully this can get in there, a little bit snug. Let's give it a go. This just pops off. Right, so we've got another one just here, again that's a T25. And that should come off. And these are T25 as well. So I've seen a couple of videos of people removing and installing exhaust systems, but they always tend to not do a particularly good close-ups, or they fast forward or time lapse. So I thought I'm going to do one a little bit different, do it from start to finish. Nice piece of plastic. Right. Get the heat shields off. 25 again, T25. Okay, so we've got a Jubilee clip under there. I think that's the last one, and hopefully feels like it's should come off. That's hot. Put some gloves on. Not quite. That's a long thread. Let's try again. I think when you put the Zard one on, you've got to put this back on with it as well, then a carbon cover goes over the top of this. Right. Okay, what have we got next? That's got to come off. What else we got? That one there. Get a socket on that one. No, I haven't got anything long enough for that, so I'll just get a little spanner in there. Okay. What have we got? Let's have a look. Right, so that's a number 10. Shall I do some longer sockets? Yeah, I haven't. Hopefully this loosens enough, I can spin it off with my fingers. So I've got time. Now this is where you're probably going to go and fast forward this, because I think I've got bored watching someone and do a clamp for about 5 minutes. Might be loose enough. Then we've got to get in there, which I'm not going to be able to do, not without a long socket. So I'm going to pause this for a minute and go out and buy some long sockets.